Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how can I hide followers and following on Instagram without private account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you going to Play Store app, tap on Play Store and you can search here, tap on Instagram app. Already your Instagram is update. Okay, go to your home and now go to Instagram app, tap on Instagram app and you go to profile icon, tap on profile icon and you go to three dot icon. Scroll down, tap on account privacy. You can see that your account is already private account. Thanks for my watching to video. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.